Are you looking for the best hoverboards for kids? In this video, we will look at some of the 7 best hoverboards for kids on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Hoverone Electric Self-Balancing Hoverboard. This hoverboard checks all the boxes for safety and fun for anyone over 8 years old. It has a modest 6 miles per hour top speed, non-slip foot pads, and simple controls, so it's great for helping younger riders gain confidence. The 2 motors provide enough power to scale inclines of up to 5 degrees, and the 6.5-inch solid wheels ensure a smooth ride. The hoverboard keeps riders balanced and upright thanks to a dynamic inertia stabilization system. It also alerts the rider if they're going too fast or are on an unsafe surface. The bright, dual LED headlights and colorful LED wheel lights illuminate the path and make the rider more visible. It's also lightweight enough to carry. Even small, uneven sidewalk bumps were found to prevent the hoverboard from moving forward, so it's best to ride on smooth surfaces. It also has a pretty low maximum user weight of 130 pounds, which could mean you'll need to buy a new board as your child grows. Number 2. Segway Self-Balancing Scooter. When it comes to self-balancing devices, Segway knows its stuff. Its 9bot S2 uses intelligent voice to teach your teen how to use it, giving one-on-one coach vibes with real-time safe riding reminders. The futuristic steering bar lets the rider control their direction by lightly touching the knee pad with their legs. Doing this shifts their balance just enough to prompt smooth turns. It's equipped with Bluetooth speakers so your music lover can zoom around to tunes. This hoverboard has a maximum range of 21.7 miles, so your kid can ride around for quite a while before needing to charge, which only takes 4.5 hours. Its improved battery helps the board tackle 15-degree slopes with ease, although the stellar traction of 10-inch off-road tubeless pneumatic tires doesn't hurt. But take note, the knee steering has a steep learning curve. While the 9bot S2's top speed of 11.2 miles per hour might be impressive for some, it could be a deterrent to others. It weighs a hefty 30 pounds, so you wouldn't want to run out of juice too far from home. Number 3. Gotrax Edge Hoverboard. Responsive and fun, the Gotrax Edge outshines other budget boards with a powerful motor and higher weight capacity than most hoverboards designed for kids. It also has a self-balancing mode, which allows you to get on without it twisting, making it easier to control for both beginners and expert riders. The 6.5-inch tires are solid and make for a smooth ride on most surfaces. The board has non-slip foot pads and several LED lights for battery status, nighttime riding illumination, and just plain fun. We also love that it comes in several colors and is one of the more lightweight boards on the market, while still coming in at hundreds of dollars less than the competition. But take note, the Edge is very sensitive to weight, so smaller kids might not have as much control. One complaint we hear is that one battery charge only lasts 3 miles or less. Number 4. Gyroor Hoverboard. This off-road hoverboard works on all types of terrain without getting stuck, so kids of all ages can travel through dirt, turf, and even gravel to get from point A to point B. The double 250W motors give you all the power you need to climb some pretty decent hills, up to 15 degrees, while the 6.5-inch rugged rubber tires are made specifically for off-roading. The board has a non-slip deck, so even when the ride is bumpy, there's no worry of slipping. The LED lights illuminate the road ahead for both safety and fun. The built-in high-quality Bluetooth speakers give them tunes for the ride. But take note, this unit has been known to shake a bit when the rider adjusts their feet, which can be scary to some younger riders. Others noted that the lights didn't last very long before blowing out. Number 5. Razer Hovertrax 2.0 Hoverboard. With big, grippy tires, anti-slip rubber foot platforms, fender bumpers, and wide foot space, this hoverboard will make your tween feel confident and comfortable on the road. The board balances itself during rides, allowing the rider to stop on a dime after showing off an impressive 360-degree spin. It features front multicolor LED lights and 2 modes of riding, training and normal. While the battery life is only 40 minutes, the LED battery life monitor is helpful in letting you know it's time to charge up for your next ride. But take note, since the battery lasts less than an hour, frequent charges are necessary. Number 6. Gotrax Hoverboard. Both you and your new rider will be over the moon with the Gotrax Mars hoverboard. Not only is it fun and flashy, the vibrant LED lights look super cool, and the Bluetooth speaker means they can ride to their favorite tunes. But beginners can hop on and feel confident from the get-go. The safety features are out of this world, including a built-in gyroscope and acceleration sensor that helps with stability. There are also safeguards for overheating, anti-tilt technology, and non-slip foot pads to keep your newbie safe as they learn the ropes. The LCD display allows you to stay updated on their ride with real-time information on speed and battery status. But the 5-mile range on a single charge translates to plenty of playtime between charges. But take note, this board offers up a slightly rougher ride than a smoother wheeled hoverboard. The Mars is perhaps a bit too sensitive to motion commands and beeps loudly when off balance, which can be distracting. But that's easily solved as your rider gets better at using the device. Number 7. Hoverone MyFirst Hoverboard. The name says it all. If your young kid is just starting out, the MyFirst Hoverboard is a solid choice that doesn't require a huge investment. Its non-slip foot pads, slower speed range, and simple controls all make it easier for beginners to feel confident on their new set of wheels. Thanks to the stabilization system, riders stay balanced and upright as they become more comfortable with zooming around. We've talked to parents whose kids have owned earlier models of Hoverones, and they like the brand's reputation for creating hoverboards with sturdy design, ease of use, and durability. We're also cheering the 5 miles per hour maximum speed, a safer pace than other boards. The bright, dual LED headlights illuminate their path while amping up the cool quotient. But take note, its motor isn't too powerful, the speeds aren't too speedy, and it's all calibrated for smaller riders.